Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to collaborate your Visual Studio Code with GitHub using Git and GitHub Desktop. So let's jump in it. So first of all, you need two things which should be, or you can say must be installed on your laptop. So first of all, go to the browser and type git download. By using this link, click on it and just click on it. It will start downloading the Git software. I already installed, so I don't need to install it again. Now the second thing I need to install is Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Simply we type it and click on it, the first link, and download for the Windows. Once you have downloaded two things, now the third thing is you need to go here and on the GitHub Desktop, just click on it, GitHub Desktop. Sorry, that's taking GitHub Desktop. Click on it, click on download the GitHub Desktop and click on this link. Now in this way you install three things. Number one is Git, second is Visual Studio Code, and the third one is the GitHub Desktop. Now for this thing, you must have to be created a GitHub account, just like me. Here we have GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account, this is my username, this is my repository that I want to clone into my PC. Now once you have already installed, open your Visual Studio Code, go here, now click on the extensions and type here GitHub. So in this way, you get the GitHub pull request extension. Now click on the install. In this way, this extension install in minutes. Now it's done. Now you have to do is to clone a repository, but for not now. Open up your GitHub desktop. Now I have to clone the repository from GitHub Enterprises. I need to sign in, just going to the URL. What's the URL I want to paste? And simply I can download this from anywhere. First of all, I want to download my any project which is named as Autobase Genai, and I'm going to choose this local location of pasting this clone repository from GitHub to my PC and just click on the clone. Now in this way, it's directly hit to the GitHub platform and just cloning it from here. This is my repository. It's cloning into my PC using GitHub Desktop. Actually, GitHub Desktop is faster than the GitHub than the Visual Studio Code because you can see the speed and also you can see the receiving and other kind of stuff from here. But in a Visual Studio Code, uh, Visual Studio Code gets some kind of instruction which cannot be fixed by Visual Studio Code. So that's why we are using GitHub Desktop. So in this way, you can see here, it's automatically and easily install all the cloned repositories, including the requirements files, your Python programs, and whatever in your repository, all of the stuff is going to be easily cloned into your PC. Now updating is done. Now you can see it's refreshing it, and now it's will asking me to open my Visual Studio Code. Just wait ahead and let's see what's happening. Now you see I installed on my desktop. So let's see. So just dive in it, open up your file extension, go to where folder you need to install. Here you can see Autobase Deny and all of the stuff I scrapped from my 16 items. You can see here. Just close it, open up your desktop and go to the browser and then click on your repository, and you can see here the 16 items. So we can copy them or we can count them: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, or just like 16. All right, so in this way I cloned my repository. Now I need to exit this. Once I exit this, just open up your VS Code. Open the folder and Autobase Gen. Yeah, select it. In this way, you got all of your. Just click on the first icons and you click on yes. Now, in this way, I cloned my repository successfully. Now, the second thing is to make some pull request. Now, hit on the terminal and create a new terminal, and then open the command prompt, delete this, and toggle it to here. Now, it's time to just make some changes on any other file. You can say, I'm going to write how to clone it, how to clone it. Just typing here and save file. In this way, you get M, which means this file is modified. Now click on it and type some comment. Okay, and I'm starting. Okay, it always click on the always and then. Now when you hit on the synchronizes changings, what will happen? Sometimes it's asking you to sign up with GitHub. Now sign in with your browser, click enter, and then you will see how it's going on. In this way, it's going to be installed. Now as such, you see I already cloned, and now it's time to check how what's the changing. Hit on the where the readme file here. Now the changes are made, so in this way you can connect easily. But first, if you are a beginner and you are trying it the first time on your VS Code, so just click on this icon, and here you got a profile. Just click on the profile and click on the sign in. I'm getting here sign out because I already signed in. When you hit the sign in, it's open your terminal and ask you to provide your username and provide your email. When you hit enter, so you will get a response from the GitHub, and then it's ask you to sign in with the GitHub and opening your browser. So in this way you clone, or you can say that you install. But the faster way is to download GitHub Desktop instead of doing something on the Visual Studio Code, just like cloning or initializing a repository. So this is enough for today, and thank you so much for watching this video.